In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize sticker size in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a canvas with the exact sticker dimensions you want and start designing your own stickers from scratch. First, open Canva in your browser or app and make sure you're logged in. On the Canva homepage, look for the button that says Create a Design. It's usually in the top right corner. Go ahead and click that. This is where you tell Canva what kind of project you want to start. When the menu opens, you'll see a lot of preset sizes like Instagram posts, presentations, and so on. Instead of choosing one of those, look for the option that says Custom Size. Click on Custom Size so we can manually set the exact dimensions for your stickers. You should now see fields for width and height, along with a drop-down menu for units, usually set to pixels by default. Since we're creating stickers, it's much easier to work in real-world measurements. Click on the units drop-down and change it from pixels to inches. Using inches lets you match the size to what you actually want when printing, and it helps avoid confusion later. Next, let's set the actual size of the sticker canvas. In the width box, type 3, and in the height box, also type 3. This will give you a 3 by 3 inch design area, which is a common and very practical size for stickers. You can always repeat these steps later with different measurements if you want larger or smaller stickers, but for now we'll stick with 3 inches for both width and height. Once you have entered 3 inches by 3 inches, double check that the units are still set to inches and that both numbers are correct. When everything looks right, click on the button that says Create Design. Canva will open a new blank canvas that's exactly 3 inches by 3 inches. Now it's time to start designing your sticker. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click on Elements. This is where you'll see graphics, shapes, lines, icons, and more. You can search for specific themes like cute cat, flowers, or minimal icons, and then drag any element you like onto your canvas. From here, start adding the designs you want and arrange them inside your 3 by 3 canvas. Resize elements by dragging the corners, change colors, add text if you'd like, and play around until your sticker looks exactly how you imagined. Because your canvas was set up with the correct custom size from the beginning, you'll know that what you're seeing on screen is the actual size your sticker will be when you print or export it.